Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to set emergency alerts to silent on the X app. If you've ever been caught off guard by a loud alert while you're focusing, in a meeting, or simply relaxing, this quick adjustment will make sure you stay informed without unnecessary disruption. Let's dive right into the steps. First, start by going to your phone's main settings. Everything we'll need to change can be found there, and it only takes a minute once you know where to look. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section holds all of the apps installed on your phone and where you can adjust their individual settings. From the list, find the X app and tap on it to open its specific options. Now you'll want to select Notifications. This is the area where you can decide exactly how and when you want the X app to notify you. Since we're focusing on emergency alerts, we'll take it one step further. Inside the Notifications menu, tap on Notification Categories. Here, different types of alerts are separated so you can customize each one individually. This is the key part that allows you to silence only emergency alerts without affecting other important messages from the app. Once you're in the categories, look for the option labeled Emergency Alerts and tap on it. You'll see various sound and display choices here. Finally, select Silent. By doing this, your phone will still show you the alert, but it won't make any sound or vibration when it comes through. This way, you'll stay informed, but in a much more discreet way. And that's it. You've successfully set emergency alerts on the X app to silent. The process is quick, but it makes a big difference in keeping your phone from interrupting you at the wrong time, while still letting you stay up to date with critical information. If you find this guide helpful, make sure to apply the same method across any other apps that might have loud alerts you'd rather keep quiet. Small tweaks like this give you more control over how your phone communicates with you, making it work in a way that better fits your daily routine.